Hey guys. Hello everyone, my name is Misha and this is my channel where I post all planting related content. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you, I love you and I appreciate you. So today I was very surprised. Today I had a really good day. I just got out of work and obviously working from home, and I had placed an order about 5 weeks ago, another import, and it arrived. They sent me the email and it ended up arriving, I believe, less than 3 days from shipping. I don't know. It was amazing. I was surprised. So I honestly cannot remember how many plants I ordered. I want to say it was 5 or 6 and they're all Hoyas. So please bear with me and let's just open it up and check it out because I did not do my homework. It's really dark. It's raining outside. So I'm going to do my best. So let me kind of flip it around so you guys can see me unbox it, and let's figure them out together since I forgot what the heck I ordered. One moment. And yes, I am on bottom PJs, but I don't know. I had never worked from home before, and now that I can work from home in my pajamas, I flippin' love it. But it's funny when Phil comes home and and I'm still in my pajamas almost at 6 o'clock at night. So today during my lunch, I decided, let me just take a shower and surprise him so that I can look like a human. Okay, so when I open it, this is what I see. I'm not sure how they're going to be regarding due to weather. It's Florida weather right now. It's just ridiculous. So they're kind of giving me little tips for the plants. Let me see the invoice to see if it has what? I don't know if this is correct, but I think it says 10 plants. This might be someone else's invoice. I don't believe I had ordered 10 plants, but we'll see. I'm gonna save that because once I have like nice rooted cuttings, I will use that. So I have one. Oh my gosh, the plants feel so cold, but this is how it looks when I took the cotton out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there's only 7. So I don't know why. The first time they kind of made a little mistake with not sending me 2 of the plants, and one of them died. If you guys watched the previous video, my elliptica died. Okay, so, and I can't remember if this is all I ordered, but I'm thinking yes, because I thought it was 6, but 7 even better. So this is Hoya Limoniaca. I hope it's like, okay. So let's see. Baby, would you give me, if you see scissors, I know they're supposed to be around here somewhere. I had like the, okay, that'll work, I hope. Phil is my handy dandy assistant. Okay. You guys didn't hear that because I don't want to embarrass him more than I usually do. Okay. Oh, nice. So look, this is how you say limonica in whatever this is. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so cute. And I will be posting of the prices because I cannot remember how much it was. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna keep I guess opening, and let me see, because this should be rooted. I'm actually really happy with this plant. And I don't know if you guys are able to see, but the veining is incredible. Okay. And these are plants that in the future I'm hoping to purchase. To sell. So they have sphagnum. They're definitely rooted. They're definitely plants. And this has like gazillion tons of roots. And if you know what that is, or if you don't, it means a lot of them. In my own little language. See all the roots? Okay. Do you see the roots? Beautiful. So I'm gonna go to the next one. But I'm really happy with that one so far. Like I'm really happy. And I'm happy that they don't take long because the weather's been insane. They did take long obviously to mail it, but that's to be expected when you care about not sending dead plants. Oh wait, this one is Hoya Mini Bell. Oh. Wow, these are actually better sizes than the ones I ended up getting in the first order. What the fridge? And look, it has 2 new ones growing. Oh, I googled this one because I flippin' fell in love with it. And oh, so beautiful. And it has, I'm sure they may not make it because of travel, but 2, 4, 6 little leaves forming. I don't know if you're able to see, but that is incredible. Oh my gosh, I am so flipping happy about this. Okay, the next one is Hoya revolubilis. Hoya revolubilis. Okay, so we're gonna check this one. And by the way, guys, you guys should check the collab video. By the time this video comes out, the collab is gonna be out for a couple weeks. But I did a collab video with 2 other YouTubers, and I'm so excited about it. I would love for you guys to support it and watch it. So, revolubilis. Wow, these are some really fat fuzzy leaves. Let me see if you can see. Like, look at the thickness. Like, that's ridiculously awesome. Oh my gosh, some leaf damage. Not worried. I don't see anything else bad. I will clean it just in case, but this is a beautiful, beautiful size. I am so excited because the first time I ordered from these people, it was like the smallest cuttings in the universe, it felt. And this time it's like, oh my gosh, like I'm so excited and I can't wait to pat them up. I don't know if I'm gonna use pawn or... Okay, so I think one is a gift because this one Hoya Spot Nothing. So I'm going to leave that one at the end because I have no clue what that is. So I think they gave me one as a gift. Yay me. I could be wrong. But I don't tend to order anything without a name. So I'm a little thrown off. This one is Hoya Serpens. Look at this cutie. This is probably the Hoya with the smallest leaves I have ever. This is the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. Aww. I love it. Let me see. Oh no. I don't know. It had something. But oh my gosh. I'll spray them. Oh my gosh. And it has a little peduncle there. I don't know if you can see it. The little peduncle. And don't look at my nails. I don't go to the salon. I try to stay home safe. Oh my gosh. I love it. I really do. I'm impressed. Okay. Oh, it's like a cute little, so cute. Okay, I don't know why I ordered this because I already have one. But this is Hoya Viola. Maybe because mine is so small. But Hoya Viola. Did I put it correctly? Yeah. Well, the leaves are dehydrated, which I'm kind of surprised. It has four leaves. They all look actually really good. And then it has a little growth point. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, because it's hidden by the leaves and my lighting. It's pretty horrible. But this one truly needs a drink of water. Huh. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. I'm glad I got it. I'll probably just have it with my other one since it looks so shriveled in comparison to the other ones. Like it didn't travel as well. And funny enough, the other Viola I have a video, an unboxing video, and it ended up coming in really bad shape due to shipping as well. So I think this is the type of Hoya that maybe does not travel well. I'm not sure. But I do see roots. They look super healthy. And I kind of want to leave them alone. Let's see. Not that many. It seems like it's a new cutting. Rooted cutting. But this is beautiful. Like, and the leaves are a good size. Okay. The last two. Maybe that's why, because the roots are not as large, that it did not do well. Hoya Akuta. I'm sorry. Hoya Akuta? Akuta? Feels like making faces. Like, he loves me. He loves me with all my craziness. I know that. Oh, this one looks funny. It has some dark spots on the leaves. In the back as well. So this one's gonna be sprayed because I'm not sure if that's fungal or if it's normal for the plant. The plant feels really, really cold. I don't know if cold damage would look like that, but it doesn't look great. It is two stems and a growth point on that one. So I do like the size of the leaves and I do like the thickness. I'll email them about it and see what they say, but it probably will be okay after I spray with some fungicide to just make sure that it's not something that spreads and it's just, you know, cold damage. And last but not least is Hoya Spa. Anyway. I wonder if I order it. I don't know. Oh, I probably did and I can't remember. I don't know what this is. I probably do and I can't recall right now. But it has a little tiny peduncle right here. It was having a growth point. This is adorable. I flippin' love it. And if I figure out the name, I'll add it. Because right now it's just saying Hoya Spa. And they don't have the names listed separately. So we'll see. But it looks beautiful. It looks healthy. They're not fuzzy. There's another growth point right here. Wow. Okay, I have my work cut out for me. So these are the 7 plants I received. I'm gonna add the prices. I'm honestly very impressed. I don't recommend companies anymore because my experience could be different from yours. I did order from Home and Garden before, from my Home and Garden, and my Home Nature, and I wasn't impressed with the first order because it was missing 2 plants and they did not let me know, and also one of the plants was too young of a rooted cutting and it didn't make it. So out of a 10 order, I only ended up getting 7. On this one, I ended up getting 7. They all look pretty amazing. They did well with the shipping. They all are cold to the touch. They did email me as soon as I placed the order. They let me know that they were going to keep reviewing the weather, not only on my area, but on theirs. Because they wanted to make sure that they send the plants when it was safe to. So I'm glad they did. They took 5 weeks to mail them, and when they finally sent me the notification email, I think it was last Thursday, and today is Tuesday, and they made it. So, and you have to account that the post office does not work Sundays, so I'm pretty impressed because it was less than 5 days, about 4. And that's probably one of the reasons why the plants did so well. I would love to know in the comments below, what did you think about my plants? They were all under $20 each. I know that much. And the reason why I ordered from them, it's because one, I had the credit from the 2 plants that didn't arrive, and 2, because it is cheaper than coming here and ordering a plant for $100. You can your $100 can go very, very far with this company. So that's it. So I hope you guys like this quick little unboxing. I think I'm going to feel comfortable enough to keep importing plants and keep growing my Hoya collection. I will try my best to do an updated Hoya video. I think I'm pretty close to 100 different species at the moment, and I would love for you guys to see what I have because they're pretty amazing. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.